Forgot your WhatsApp encrypted backup password? Don't panic. Here's how to reset it on your device in seconds. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Once there, simply tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Now here, just go to Chats. A new display will appear. Then select Chat Backup when there. Then simply scroll down to find End-to-End Encrypted Backup and tap on it. If you forgot your password, tap Change Password. Now, here go ahead and tap I forgot my password. A new display will appear. Then you'll need to verify this by using passcode. Simply enter the 6-digit passcode to proceed. Once verified, tap Create New Password and set a new one. Just remember, resetting your encrypted backup password will delete your old backup. Now when done, proceed to retype your new password. Remember, so make sure you're okay with that before confirming. Once done, tap Next to finish. Now you're back in control, no more password stress. Well, if this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips.